Today we received another package from Temu. It includes multiple items that we want to discover along with you, and then see how they actually work, if their quality. So make sure that you are part of this channel, and follow and subscribe and share our content with your friends. These are items that we pay for and we receive, and then we do our authentic true review of everything we receive. So nobody is paying us to do this work. Make sure that you are part of the channel, so you receive the new videos as they actually be published. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Okay, so first of all, we have this big box. See what's in it. We're gonna open it later, and then let's start with these small items here. We have this one. These are little balls that you can add to your laundry load. They help to kind of get better cleaning results. We'll see how they work. This is, I think, some sort of and then we have this chemical liquid. It's a kind of it's an agent to help keep your glass or mirror kind of away from any water or fog or anything, I guess. So we'll try and see how it works, and if it's actually a good product and it does what it says. This is for head massage. We'll see if actually what it does. This is also, it's a device to help apply kind of natural oils or essential oils to your scalp. So we'll see how it works as well. These are RFID kind of protective layers that you can keep your credit card inside. See if they actually work, and we're gonna try them and see if they actually give any results. And then this is a kind of windshield crack repair kit. So it helps to repair kind of any cracks in the windshield, and we're gonna try it on our phone screen and see if it actually does what it says. So it repairs any cracks on glasses, I guess. This is the same thing. It's a different brand, or a different, or I think they come as one set, I believe. Okay, I'm not sure what's in here, so we're gonna open it and see what's in here later. These are kitchenwares. They're supposed to actually help to peel boiled eggs and see if actually do what they say. From the get-go, I see like the quality is not that good, but we'll try them out and see if they actually they are useful. And these are for like micro needles. They come in a set of 2, I guess, and see if they kind of try them and see the quality. These that you can wear like on your hand to help you kind of release some anxiety and give you some sort of pressure here, I guess. So we'll try them and see if they actually are useful. These are kind of little devices that you can wear in your nose to help you kind of breathe better and kind of lower snoring. This is the same thing, it's just a different, I guess, supplier. These are also, you can wear them in your nose and to help you breathe better. So we'll see if they actually do what they say. These ones, you add them to the toilet tank to keep the water clean, so you don't need to clean it or to clean the toilet as often because of the kind of residuals or metals that they come in water. And this is a magnetic ring. I'm not sure if it actually fits my finger or not, but we'll try, and we'll see if it actually does what it says. Okay, and then these are also devices that you wear in your nose and to help you kind of breathe better and snore less, I guess. So that's what they said, and that's what they claim, and we're gonna try all that, and that's it. So we're gonna actually try all these. Stay tuned and follow our channel. We're gonna be sharing so many videos about the reviews for these items, and then we go from there. Okay, thank you so much. And oh yeah, and I forgot the big box here. So before I finish, let's see what's in this one. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, that's an automated head massager. So it comes in this box. There we go. Let's get this away, and we're gonna open it later, but this is the head massager. We're gonna see how it works and if it does what it says or not, and then we go from there. Okay, so stay tuned, follow our channel, subscribe, share the content with your friends and the people that you think they would need these products, and to actually see an authentic true review through our channel. See you soon. Bye bye for now.